If the alarm goes off, the control panel allows us to hear what is happening and to talk to you without using the telephone. In some cases, this function can play a vital role. For example, when there is a break-in and you are at home. When the alarm goes off in the middle of the night, you don't always make the right decisions.
They're in. They got in. There's someone here. There's someone here!
That's why it's important for a specialist to provide information on what is happening and to stay with you to prevent further damage until the guard arrives.
Don't worry, lock yourselves in somewhere, in the bathroom or bedroom. Let's wait for the guard together. I'm going to stay right here with you, okay? They're on their way.